Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see on Facebook how to delete accounts. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. So once you're in your Facebook, head over to the three lines icon on the top right. And once you are there, go to settings and privacy. Here, navigate to settings. And from here, go to Media Account Center. Now go to personal details. And here you will find the option of account ownership and control. It says that manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. So as you want to delete our account, head over to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion section. In here, select your Facebook account. Now change the check mark to delete account. It says when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. So once you are okay with it, tap on continue. Now select why you don't need your Facebook anymore. So tap on continue and tap on continue again. Now what you need to do is just tap on continue again. And here now you have to give your password. So yeah, this is once you give your password, your Facebook account will be deactivated or deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.